A very pleasant morning to my dear student. Today we are going to do the next part of the chapter manufacturing industry, and today we will understand the classification of the industry. My dear student, today we are going to understand how the industries are classified into different categories. Now the first classification is here according to the sources of raw material. And according to raw material, we are having the two types of industry: agro-based industry and mineral-based industry. Agro means these industries are based on agriculture as a raw material. For example, cotton, woolen, jute, silk, textile, rubber, sugar, tea, coffee are the example of agro-based industry. Now the mineral-based industry, as the name indicates, these industry use mineral as our raw material. For example, are here iron and steel, cement industry, aluminium, machine and tool, etc. Now the next classification is here according to their main role. And according to their main role, we are having the two types of industry. Number one, basic industry, and number two, consumer industry. Basic industry, it means these industry produce the things which are used to manufacture the another goods. For example, iron and steel industry. While the consumer industry means that produce the goods only for the direct used by the consumer. For example, sugar, toothpaste, paper, sewing machine, fan, etc. Now the next classification is here according to capital investment. And according to capital investment, we are having the two types of industry: small scale industry and large scale industry. Now the small scale industry. Small scale means here the investment is less than 1 crore. And here the investment is fixed. While in large scale, we are having the investment more than 5 crore. I think you have understood how the investment is classified the industry according to the capital. Now the next classification is according to ownership. And according to ownership, we are having the different type of industry. Number one, public industry means these industries are owned and run by the government, while the private sector industries, these industries are owned and run by the individual or the group of individual. Now the joint sector industry, these industries are jointly run by the state and the individual or the group of individual. For example, Oil India Limited. The cooperative sector industry means these industries are owned and operated by the producer and the supplier of raw material. Means the workers are both here, the workers also and the owner also. In the same manner, they share the profit as well as the loss. The example of cooperative sector industries are here sugarcane industry. Now the last classification is here the bulk and weight of raw material. And according to bulk and weight of raw material, we are having the two types of industry: heavy industry and lightweight industry. Heavy industry means that is having the heavy material, for example iron and steel, while the light industry means that use a light raw material that produce the light goods, for example electrical industries. I think you have understood the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.